In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Simscape to Simulink. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up your MATLAB and you want to go to Add-ons up top on the Home tab over here. You want to click on that, and then from here, you'll be able to actually search for different add-ons, and Simscape is an add-on. So if I go over here, top right, and if I type in Simscape, which I already have earlier, I can just type that, press the Enter key or this key over here. As you can see, it's going to say Simscape. You simply want to click on it, and whenever you do that, here it's going to say Install on the right hand side, so you simply want to click on the install button, and whenever you do that, it's going to basically start preparing to install add-on, and this may take a few seconds up to a few minutes, and then there's just going to basically be like a setup which you're going to have to follow, and then eventually MATLAB will shut down. You'll have to reopen it, and when you do that, it's going to basically install. So here, as you can see, it says you're about to install the following add-ons. Simscape, I'm going to click on next, and whenever I do that, it's going to again start loading. Now here it's going to say by clicking accept, I agree. I'm going to click on I accept here, and it's going to start loading yet again. Now this process usually takes a few seconds. As you can see here, it says it will now shut down and then restart when the installation is complete. So we can just go ahead and click on the install button over here. It's going to shut down MATLAB just like this. As you can see, it's shutting down, and whenever it's ready, it's going to reopen, and you're going to see you will be, of course, having your Simscape inside your MATLAB Simulink, and you'll be able to use it. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.